Welcome if you're new here on today. It's Mom and me for a short car chronicle. Here in South Carolina, well, where we live, we did not get any snow, but we did get ice. And Black Beauty, well, she was looking a little flustered, looking a little weathered. So Mom and I decided to take her to the car spa, aka the car wash. Well, according to a recent article I read, a car should be cleaned or washed once a week. Well, Black Beauty, I do apologize. And so I'm thinking this year I'll get one of those car wash passes, so Black Beauty can have her spa treatment a little more frequently. Now, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And just like that, well, Black Beauty, she's looking oh so pretty. So yeah, this is how the video usually ends. But this is the reality. Girl, go back and get your camera. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new.